how to calculate percentage in chart, and we will discuss in this example. We will create the data, and then we will discuss create the different charts, chart on the same sheet, and we also create the chart on different sheet, so it will have only the chart with this with the help of this data. And we will also create the percentage chart with the help of directly from the data, not from the percentage data. So here first we will discuss the percentage data. I'm going to remove the data and apply the percentage formula to get the result in percentage. And in second exercise we will discuss to create the chart directly from the data, not from the percentage. So right now I'm creating a chart from the percentage. For the percentage, I'm creating data right now. So I'm going to get the percentage result in this table. So now I'm going to remove the percentage from it. Now I'm going to apply percentage for format. Right now you can use the shortcut as well, control shift percentage, so we will get the result in percentage. So here you have the result right now. And now we will create a chart with this data, and you will see this is working properly. This is the current year price and the next year price. So we are doing the price comparison for the items, and we will present this data in the chart format. So I'm going to add the chart for on this data. So you can use recommended chart, or you can use any chart as per your requirement. Now I'm making a bar chart with the help of it, and I have changed the background as a black. So you can resize with this drag and drop option. So you can increase the size, decrease the size, and or adjust the size as per your requirement. So this is how to create a percentage chart in Excel. Now we have some more examples that will be very easy. I will also share the shortkeys to create the chart as well. So you can change the label, you can change the chart presentation, you can change the chart numbers presentation as well. So here are many options to change the layout of the chart. So this is the best you can get the percentage on each bar according to the percentage of that data. So these are the items, and we have the percentage on the chart right now. So we can change the color theme as well. Here you can see, and we can change the chart element, right? We have another option as here you can see we can apply different formats, or we can remove it as per our requirement. So this is the data. We can create this chart with the help of short key. The short key is Alter F1, and then you can change the format of the chart or layout of the chart, or it's up to you that you want to change the numbers presentation, or you want to change the color of the chart. It's up to you. We have some other options to create the chart that will be very easy for you. So here you can see we can drag and change the chart location, or we can change the chart size as well. So sorry, this is changing the chart data. I have to change the chart size. So for that I have to drag it down. So here you can see we create the chart, and we can change the size as well. So there are many options as well. There are some more options to create the chart. You can see here in this example, just press select the data and press Alter F1, so you can create the chart, and you can change the chart type as well. It's up to you. There are some chart available in the Excel that will give you the numbers in percentage directly. You don't need to calculate the percentage before creating a chart. So I will show you that also. Here you can see we have the pie chart, and we can change the layout, or we can add the elements of the chart, or it's up to us. Here you can see we have the percentage option also available in the pie chart, and it's appeared in the chart data. It's just collecting from the data, not from the percentage of the calculated percentage. So here you can see we have the name of the items and the percentage as well. So it's up to you which one you like to add on your presentation. or in your sheet. So here you can see we have the item names and the percentage as well appearing, and this data from collected from the the numeric data, not from the calculated percentage data. If we remove this data, or here you can see if I remove this data, so it's all is still appear in percentage. So we don't need to calculate the percentage, or we can drag it down according to our requirement to calculate the percentage of each item. So it's up to you how you want to manage it, or how you want to present it. So this is another example. I have few more examples that will very easy for you, and you can create it in a very simple way. That is this complete chart on a one short key. The short key is very simple. You just need to select the data, and you can create this chart with the help of one short key, that is F11. So once you select the data, you can create a chart as per your requirement. You just need to select the data, just need to press F1, and you will get the result. You can select any data. If you have already percentage calculated data, so you can create the percentage numbers on your chart with the help of one key, which is F11. You just need to press the data, select the data, and here you can change the layout, or the presentation, or the bar size, bar color, or style of the bar, and you can change the layout as well as per your requirement. So here you can see we can adjust the zoom in, zoom out of this chart. We can apply the format on it, and we can change many things on it as per our requirement. We can change the background, we can change the bar size, or we can apply it on any other example. Like we have another example previously we discussed, so we can apply this chart short key on other data if we have in a table or table format. So we can change with the help of layout, and it will be appear as per your requirement. So that's very simple, and I will explain you how you can change this to the pie chart. Once you change the chart type, so you can change it from the bar chart to pie chart, and you can have the percentage option in pie chart. So you can change it to the percentage. So you will have the data in a percentage, and the chart will be appear in percentage. You don't need to calculate the percentage before creating a chart. That's very important thing. That's very useful thing. You don't need to calculate the percentage, and you can get the result in percentage. So that's a very like I really like this tool to get the numbers in the percentage on the chart. That will very presentable and very easy to understand the data, what's is going in this data. So once we select the data, and we just need to press F11, so it will be appear on our screen a new sheet which will show us the data in the chart, and we can change the chart. So once you select the data, you just need to press F11. You will get the chart like this, and you can copy in another presentation as well. So here you can see I can select the data, and just once I have pressed the F11, so I can get the result as per our requirement. I can change the format of the chart, I can change the bar, and I can change the layout as well. So that's very useful. I have few more videos on this you can watch in our playlist. And
now let's discuss 15 example of percentage calculation which are very useful for you. As we know that there are many ways to calculate percentage for different aspect, for different result. To make it simple for you, we have started this training from basic to advanced level, so you will become an expert in percentage calculation on Microsoft Excel. You can apply any one as per your requirement, or watch all videos to understand percentage calculation in Excel from basic to advanced level, such as basic percentage formula, percentage between two cells, percentage between two numbers, percentage in Excel chart, percentage for entire columns, percentage for multiple rows, pie chart percentage, change of percentage, percentage change formula, and more example we have for change of percent calculation. I will recommend you to watch all videos to understand percentage calculation, then watch change of percentage calculation. All examples are given in separate videos, so you can understand each video properly.